Symphony High Cool 45i personal air cooler for home with powerful blower, honeycomb pads, remote control with touch panel and low power consumption. Special feature for portable timer, low power consumption. Power saving performance. This home air cooler works efficiently with just 170 watts of power and is also compatible with inverters. Product dimensions 50D 38 width 106 height centimeters. The portable air cooler is appropriate an area of 17 square meters coverage area under optimal conditions. Enhanced cooling, Dura pump technology and honeycomb cooling pads. 360 degrees caster wheels. Powerful blower with the high speed blower in this air cooler. Water or ice inlet is there. Drain plug is there. Water overflow outlet is there. Effortless cooling. Experience expansive cooling with powerful air throw and automated swing feature, ensuring efficient and widespread cooling comfort throughout your space. Touch and remote control. Remote control manages your air cooler with the user-friendly remote featuring a 7-hour timer for ultimate convenience at your fingertips. Large water tank capacity. This cooler comes with 45-liter water tank with a water level indicator, providing ample water for long-lasting cooling. For this cool For this cooler warranty, the Symphony High Cool 45i air cooler is protected by a 1-year warranty for the date of purchase, covering only manufacturer defects. Shopping link at description. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.